Hi, I'm Karthik. I'm one of the co-founders of Mediphant. Your doctor just invited you to join them on Mediphant. So let me show you what that means and how to get started. So what is Mediphant? Think about it as your personal AI healthcare companion. Any healthcare question you have, Mediphant can help you answer it better and more safely. When you Google health questions or put it into Gemini or ChatGPT, you end up getting generic answers while your data gets sold to advertisers. Mediphant gives you personalized answers to your health questions based on your data, completely privately. Here's how it works. We help you collect all of your medical information in one secure vault. Then we create an AI companion that sits on top of all of that data that helps you navigate the healthcare system. Everything runs on HIPAA-compliant servers. We never sell your data and we never use it to train AI models. Plus, when you connect with your doctor as a Mediphant guardian, they can then securely send you reports and see what's in your vault to give you better and more personalized care. And it's super easy to get started. Your doctor will send you an invitation link that looks something like this. Click on it and you'll see some more details about how Mediphant has partnered with your doctor and what that means for you. Click the sign up button to create an account. You can use your email and password, or you can sign in with Google. Once you're done, you'll have to answer a few personal questions that'll help your doctor identify you and for our AI to give you better and more personalized answers. Then you'll be asked if you want to add your doctor as a Mediphant guardian. If you say yes, then your doctor will be able to see all the files and records in your vault, but they'll never see the private chats between you and your AI healthcare companion, Elly. That always stays only with you. Once you confirm your consent, you're all done. You'll get an email notification when your doctor accepts your request, and then they'll be able to communicate with you directly on the platform. But Mediphant is not just a patient portal where you wait for your doctor to send you reports. You can start adding your own medical information right away. The more details your doctor and Elly have, the better answers you'll get. Let me walk you through it. First of all, you can just chat with Elly and tell her about your medical history. For example, you could say something like, in 2015, I had a surgery for a sports injury. Can you make a note of that, Elly? And Elly will actually go through, record that information for the future, and even ask you some follow-ups to make sure that she captures all the right details. You can also just upload files if you have some old reports or other documents lying around. Just go to the Vault page and click on the Add button and upload files and images. Elly takes a few minutes to process your upload, but once she's done, you're able to actually go to your timeline page and look at a beautiful chronology of all the health events that Elly has found through the files that are in your vault. If you have login details to another patient portal for another hospital or clinic, you may be able to import your records easily into Mediphant. We support importing medical records from thousands of healthcare organizations across the United States. Just go to your Vault page, click on the Add button, and click on Import Medical Records. And Elly will chat with you about whether or not we can import your records. Sometimes typing isn't the best way to tell Elly all about your medical history. It's super easy to add voice notes. Just go to Chat with Elly and click on the microphone icon and say something like, I've had more acidity than normal over the past 2 days after dinner. Can you please make a note of that? Elly will record this information, transcribe it so that it's available. You can actually search for it in the future, and even suggest some possible causes and things to watch out for. Similarly, you can share images. You can just click the plus button and then attach it to your chat with Elly, and Elly will give you her take on whatever is in the image. By the way, Mediphant works exactly the same on your phone. Just go to mediphant.ai in the browser of your choice, and you'll be able to click the menu icon at the top left of your screen to look at your vault and your timeline and to navigate. And you can click the new chat button over here on the top right of the screen to create new conversations with Elly. Everything you upload during your chats with Elly, whether it's files, photos, or voice notes, automatically get added to your vault. You don't have to worry about organization, just add things. You'd be surprised how much information stays in patients' heads and the doctor never even gets to hear about it. Mediphant helps you remember all of the right information at the right time. Now for the fun part. You can ask Elly any question about your health and she'll answer based on your personal data and even cite her sources. For example, you could ask something like, what was my last WBC count and is that good or bad? Elly will look through her memory and give you precise answers and even cite her sources. You can click on these blue little squares for references and see exactly where Elly got her information. Or you can ask something like, what do I take Lisinopril for and what are the side effects? Elly can help you get a better understanding of your health and your medications so you can focus on being healthier. Or you could ask something like, Elly, what are some questions that I should be asking my doctor at my next doctor visit? Elly will look through the latest files and chats that you've had with her and suggest some ideas as to what you might want to discuss with your doctor when you see them next. Going forward, instead of Googling, just create a new chat with Elly. You'll be able to securely and privately track every health question you've ever asked. No advertisers and no data selling. The best thing you can do to get better health answers out of your doctor and from Elly is to note down everything you possibly can about your lifestyle and your symptoms, including things like what kind of foods you eat, how active you are, whether you prefer something like tablets over syrups. Just tell Elly to make a note of it and it'll be added to her memory. When your doctor uploads a new report directly to your vault, you'll get an email notification that looks something like this. You can go to your vault, see the report, and see any notes that your doctor added as well. You'll always know what came from your doctor because it'll be marked as Guardian. And that's it. With Mediphant, all your medical data is at your fingertips. Your data stays yours, but you can still safely share it with the doctors that you choose. If you have any issues at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at hello@mediphant.ai. Thanks, and we hope you enjoy your new healthcare companion.